too since I last saw you, but now I won't come back around if you're not trying. Sound like I'm not there for you. Oh, oh, wait for me, I don't stand a chance without you, girl. It's not like I have to be somewhere right now. Why are you crying? Feels like just a day or maybe two since I last saw you. Sound like I'm not there for you. Oh, oh, wait for me, I don't stand a chance without you, girl. It's not like I have to be somewhere right now. Why are you crying?
Hello, so finally we are done with setting up my ribbon glasses. So overall quick overview of the unboxing and onboarding experience. I think it's fairly straightforward, and also the app experience was fairly intuitive. It's a step-by-step setup. I think a couple of quick critiques just from so far the unboxing experience I have. One is really the charging part. When I first opened the box, I was super excited. I want to get it to running, and so I plugged in this box, this glasses box from here, and I charged it for like half an hour ish. So I was like all excited to start a video and started pairing and set up the glasses, but I ended up realizing the glasses was not charged at all because there was a little sticker covered this area within the box, and I wish there's some like, hey, heads up, I think it was not quite obvious, and I have opened the box, I look at the glasses, but in this view, back then when the sticker was covered underneath, I did not notice there was a sticker you have to remove before charging it at all, and there was no indication in the box, or there's no indication in the app. So that was one critical step that leads to some of the frustration that I had to pause the video, go back, remove the sticker, let it charge for another 30 minutes, and come back. Then I think when we look at actually the part of pairing glasses, I think it's fairly straightforward. It's really designed in a very minimalism way. I think I love that it's all integrated here, from the power switch here to the LED light on the other side. You can barely see it. Right now the light is not on. When we were doing the pairing, this was the LED light. Basically, we were relying on checking the color from first blinking white to then turning green and blue. It's basically the signal that guide users during the onboarding process. So I thought it's like really smart that it's designed in a way it's so well integrated in the product. So unless you're doing the pairing mode, you will barely notice there is the light here. And I was pretty surprised by the sound that came out. Like soon after these glasses got paired successfully, the audio started playing. There was some music, and then I realized there is actually the speaker here, and that was also part of the onboarding, like the app experience. It actually did a quick step-by-step tour, like how to start using these glasses. For example, some basic key functions from how do you take a photo, how do you start recording videos, and how do you adjust audio. So some key functions that are really well explained during that onboarding steps. So I feel like comfortable and confident to start just using these glasses. I am so excited to explore more and wear it around, try it in, real life experience. So stay tuned, and I will share with you guys more about how it goes. So I will see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye.
Chance without you, girl, it's not like I have to be somewhere right now. Why are you crying? Feels like just a day or maybe two since I last saw you, but